Hi, how to add a new block library, new design sets to your Oxygen. Make sure if enable your Oxygen settings uh, library, you have these options enabled, enable default design sets, third-party design sets, and update it. And then you just come to block library and you create a new block library. For example, new design sets, and you simply publish it. You can click import, choose file, uh, the file you downloaded from your purchase, open, import post, import complete. Then you go back to your Oxygen block library and you can see your design set is there. Let's click there. Let's also regenerate the CSS dash. Okay, this is done, and you can see your design sets are ready with images also imported. Everything is here. Let's come to edit with Oxygen. It takes a bit of time. We already been there. Okay, so you click on the structure, Oxygen top. You can change colors, font size, images, however you want, and it will automatically pick up the part of your website. And you could use Oxy copy paste plugin to simply just copy these elements and move it to some other section as well. Thank you.